Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Monday and I wanted to start off the week off in the right foot and also just sharing basically how I try to have the most productive week possible, especially because a lot is changing around here. You guys probably already know, but I am moving by the end of the month, hopefully. Everything's still up in the air. I don't know which video you'll be able to see first, but yeah, basically I have a lot on my plate this week and I wanted to schedule everything, show you guys how I prep for the week. I also have a lot of work, so I'm going to be scheduling all that and showing you guys how I do it, as well as decluttering, cleaning. But before all the craziness, let's have a sip of coffee and also some skincare because it always makes me feel very happy. All right, so we are in my beauty station slash closet. This portion of the video is sponsored by Murad and I am so excited because I've heard nothing but great things about Murad for a really long time and I've been wanting to try their products, and they came out with a vitamin C line that it's like so cool, and honestly the actual texture and look of it looks really satisfying and great, but my favorite part about it has to be all the amazing benefits. So this one is the Environmental Shield Vitamin C Glycolic Brightening Serum, which helps brighten up any dark spots. Gold Stabilized Vitamin C Glycolic Serum helps improve the look of hyperpigmentation and uneven tone for dramatically brighter, healthier looking skin, which for the most part is me whenever I get like dark spots. You could barely see. I mean, if I get closer, you probably can. This camera does have like a smoothing feature, but as you can see right there, and let's say like right here, I had like those monthly pimples and they always leave me a dark spot. So I'm really excited to test this out and see how well it works on my skin. Dual chamber package delivers a concentrated fresh dose of vitamin C and glycolic acid with every use, because as you can probably tell right there, the middle is a totally different tube, so it has like its own different ingredient in there, and then the other two has the gold stabilized, so you mix it in together and it just comes as one, which is amazing. This is great for all skin types, and in my opinion the best time to apply it is in the morning. Vitamin C is really important to incorporate in your skincare and just your wellness overall, but in my opinion I do like using it in the morning. So I'm going to start off with the serum and just apply it all over. Since I'm applying it in the morning, I also like to start off my morning, especially a Monday like today, with a face massage. I've been searching different face massage videos because honestly it just feels amazing to massage your face, but face massage also help with wrinkles. So yeah, I'm just going to add it to my skin and it already looks so like healthy looking. I've been using it for over a week and I honestly do see like my skin looking healthier and even brighter because these were darker. I mean, if you guys see previous vlogs, I feel like you would totally see that these were darker. So again, really excited to continue using it. All right, so this one is the Vitamin C Eyes Dark Circle Corrector. You know, I am in my late 20s, aka 26, going to be 27 by the end of the year. 27? Ugh. I feel like I got stuck in that 25 age, and every single time someone asks me for my birthday, I'm like, oh, I'm 25, and then I'm like, oh, no, I'm not. So anyways, with that being said, I have been a little bit more cautious using eye creams and remembering to just take better care for my skin, especially my under eyes. So this one is a dark under eyes brightener, which is really cool because I don't necessarily suffer from like really dark under eyes. I do know a lot of people that suffer from it, so maybe this will be even better, but I have noticed a difference with the small amount of time that I've been using it. So I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. If you use your ring finger, it's, you know, more gentle. And I also like to just like massage it in. All right, eye cream is on and it immediately feels hydrated. Like I feel like I drank a lot of water, which I haven't yet. So that's my first love about it. It also looks brighter under my eyes immediately with the gold stabilized vitamin C that it includes. So if you have dark circles, this is a must try. I'm going to keep updating you guys probably on Instagram, but as to for the time that I've been using it, I definitely do like see an immediate change on my skin. So I love that. Anyways, you guys, that was a lot of information, but I feel like this was a great start to my week, especially on a Monday, to just like pamper myself and have myself feeling like just more awake. I'll be linking everything down below, so make sure to check that out, and let's continue with the vlog. All right, so on Mondays, I normally like to pick up around the apartment a little and vacuum. I picked up last night, thankfully, but I do have to vacuum still. I also need to vacuum the balcony. My balcony is something that has me so sad because, again, if we end up moving, this new place doesn't have a balcony. So yeah, it's, I don't know, everything is so like up in the air. It's so stressful, but I'm praying that everything, you know, just falls into place nicely. Another thing I have to do today is water my plants that need watering. Some of them like are dying, so yeah. What else? I need to schedule my week. There's a lot going on, so let's start off by vacuuming, because honestly, vacuuming and just like working in a clean space just clears my mind and helps me work better. So let's do that. Right, apartment done. Let's move to the balcony, which is a hot mess. So this is everything that it collected. It's a lot more if I like move things around. Some of you guys were actually asking me how I clean it. It has this little tab right here that I just pop it out like this, throw out the junk. And then if you want to go more in depth, I would flip it this side. You can take this out and clean this separately, which I will because it's really dirty. And you can also clean this or replace it. I need to buy a new one, so for now I'm just going to clean it. And yeah, that's what it looks like. You can just go back and get out the junk. You can also, by the way, pull this out in case that there's stuff here that don't like necessarily make it all the way. For example, let's see, could have sworn there was more. So yeah, that's what this looks like. Very disgusting. I'm going to wash it and show you guys, as well as washing all of these. So I actually think that the key to having a productive week is by organizing and planning out your week. I actually was just on a call with the apartment company because I have to not cancel my lease, but like end my lease. Anyways, I think planning is key to having an organized, productive, easygoing week. My manager was actually kind enough to hop on the phone with me last week, and we did my entire month in Google Calendar. For the first time ever, I color coordinated everything and like set different stamps for like filming, editing, when things are due, when I have to submit or post. So it's honestly feeling so liberating right now, but I am still going to be writing it down in my week calendar because I'm still more of a visual person, and like writing things down just helps me memorize and remember things more than having it on an electronic phone, even though I do appreciate that. planning is done. I just finished submitting a couple things in the computer that I needed to do. If you guys didn't know, I was away this weekend, so I'm going to be unpacking my luggage. This right here was what I took with me to Connecticut. My bag is like, I need to get a new one, clearly. So I'm going to just start unpacking it all and putting things away. Unpacking is done. I am now working on something special for IG stories, so I'm going to be filming that really quickly and then move on to getting more things done around the apartment. Alright, I'm done with content creating. I am going to heat up some food because I am starving. Super hungry. Alright, so quick lunch break. Locrio de pollo with a little bit of avocado and water. You're probably wondering, Natalie, what in the world are you eating? Listen, that's the kind of food you eat on a stressful, busy Monday when you want to be productive and not waste time cooking. I made a locrio de pollo 2 days ago, I think, and I just reheated it up and it tastes delicious. Going to just take a quick little break now for lunch, eat, watch a little bit of Netflix. I've been obsessed with getting organized with the home edit, so I'm going to watch an episode of that for now. Break is over. Now I have my last task of the day. Eric got home from work. He's not allowed to sit on the couch with his scrubs, but you know, you win some and you lose some. Am I right? So today's task, I want to basically add this adhesive to the table because I ruined it really badly. And by I mean Joancy decided to, you know, put nail polish remover on a cup and then it melted. I'm going to just sand everything and scrape it off. Alright, we are done adding the adhesive. I'm not gonna lie, this line right here is really bothering me, but quite the upgrade if you ask me. And it looks so much better without that scratch. Alright you guys, so I'm going to finish the vlog right here. I hope you enjoyed this Monday craziness of my day. I tried to be as productive as I could and I feel like I got a lot of things done, but I wanted to mention these again because I personally am obsessed with them. My skin looks amazing still, even after a bunch of hours. I don't know how long it's been. So yeah, highly recommend for you guys to try out the vitamin C line from Murad. I'm going to be linking them below, the serum and the dark circles corrector. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you Murad for sponsoring today's video, and until next time, bye.